Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I had to retweak this video. I'd originally done it when I cooked this, but I want to do a challenge and to show people how to stretch their food, and I'll be challenging someone at the end of this. This is of egg noodles, boiled chicken, and I took and deboned the chicken. And corn, you can put carrots in there. You can put salt to taste. I don't use a lot of salt, but to your taste, whatever you want. You can put green beans in it, and it makes more of a soup type meal. And you can accompany that with like a garlic bread or something to give you a good carb with the protein that the chicken's got in it. And this is a filling meal, but you can stretch it, and with just a few pieces of chicken, you boil them, then you cook everything else in that water, even your noodles, and you put your chicken back in, let it cook, and make sure it's done. But this is a way to stretch your food budget. And with these times we're in now, you need to stretch your food and make use of every little bit that you can. And I'm challenging somebody, Stacies Country Cooking. Stacy she's a good lady. I have to applaud her. She works in the cafeteria, and she's working during these times to keep the kids fed, and that deserves a big round of applause, folks. But I'm challenging Stacy to work her magic and show us what she can do on a cheap meal and stretching it out. And I look forward to seeing what Stacy does. And her link will be pinned in the comment section. It'll also be in the description section of this video. But when I changed this video up, I had already cooked this and done a video on that, and I deleted that video, so I decided to make a new one. But this is a good meal. It keeps well, and if you let it season out on the second go round, it's just as good as the first time. So thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.